it's me, your girl Queen Beauty. This is my first makeup of the year. I wish you all a happy new year, and I pray that this year will be a prosperous year in our life in the mighty name of Jesus. I thank all my subscribers. I thank you all because we just hit 2K subscribers, guys. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I thank you all. I thank you all. I thank all my subscribers, because without you guys there will be no me. Guys, I really appreciate you all. I say may the Almighty support you all in on your needs in the mighty name of Jesus. So guys, this makeup I'm wearing, this smoky eyeshadow that I'm wearing, this makeup, if you want to know how I achieve this makeup, guys, I say sit, don't go away, sit and watch the way I achieve it, because it's not so difficult. Okay guys, just sit and watch and let's jump into it. Thank you all. I see you all later. Thank you. Bye. Happy New Year to you all. Happy New Year to you all. I really appreciate you all, guys. Thanks for coming. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you all. I'm so excited because I hit 2K subscribers. 2K subscribers, guys. It's not easy. Who dey YT level know wetin I dey talk. 2K subscribers, who be me. I really appreciate it. Thank you all, guys. Thank you. Please, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share my video, like my video. Please, guys, if you are watching me, you are my followers, you are not yet subscribed, please help a sister subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as you do, may God bless you all. Bye. Let's jump into it. Yes, so guys, this is the finished look of my smoky eyeshadow. I hope you like it. It's not too difficult to achieve, and I hope you give it a try at home, okay? I really love the finished look, guys. I have installed my wig. This is a wig. Thank you, guys, and I hope to see you all in my next one. Bye. Thanks everyone for coming.